Before starting the video, watch this trailer first. For creating the same type of design, first you have to come to this panel, okay, that is Cinema Studio 2.0. For that, come to home and then click on the Cinema 2.0. You can check out here as well, okay, but directly click here, and then here you can just describe your image generation. Here you can upload your images if you have reference, okay. So now let's move and write a prompt here. Then select the studio digital, like camera angle, then lenses, okay. So I will set the camera to classic, then lens will be warm, then focal length will be 35, okay, move to 50. Then we have to set the aperture, and that will be f11, okay. Now here set the batch size to second, how much images you want, and then click on here you can just grid penetration, okay, left it and click on generate. It will take a little bit time, okay, and it will then first it will process then generate, okay. So as you can see, it starts generating, and finally one image is generated. So look at this design, and as you watch the trailer, I'm working on this Attack on Titan fight scene. So yeah, here it is. Now what I will do is to first drag this first image, first clear this text, okay. So here some left, so just clear it as well and write a prompt here that I want some fight scenes where you can say the main character is beating the beast, okay. Now click on generate, and then again it takes a little bit time and it will generate, okay. So let's wait, and here comes the image. Here the fight scene begins. So here you can see the point is changed and the character and consistency is great. Now here comes the second image, and look at this, the Titan changed into fiery theme. Now what we will do is now we will explore some things, okay. Like here I don't know what comes next, okay. So what I will do is just move to this option here, what next, okay, and just click here. So just move here and click on what's next. So it will auto generate the next upcoming scenes, okay, and that is great. Now for here you can use multi-shot and other as well, and here you can just animate it. Then here comes 3D scene, let's create it as well. Now look at this, two generations are in progress, and here the 3D scene is generated. Now click here and look at this. Now what you can do is change the theme and position and how you like, okay. Here you can see there are some shortcuts as well you can use. Now here you can see multi what's next part is created, and here the other scenes what will happens next. So I will choose some images from here and I will create that one, okay. So look at this, there are some images I can use here, like the fighting scene and flying scene, then here the hand part and the beating part, okay. So I will just download it, okay. Now here I have downloaded, and now click on animate. Here you can see our previous videos, images and videos. Now here comes the main part. So here there are multi options. Okay, and now here you can see you can just upload the image here. So I will just upload it from the image. Just select the first image and click on open. As you can see, the image is uploading here. Okay, so just wait a little bit, and here you have to just describe what you want in the first image. So let's describe the all the parts here, and just for the second and third image we have to do the same, like upload and describe it like what you want in second image, then what you want in third image. Okay, now comes the main part. So before starting, let me just explain about these options. So here you can choose either single shot or multi shots. Then here aspect ratio, quality, and then gender. Here I will go with action because you can see we are going to create a fight scene. Okay, and if you want horror comedy, you can use those scenes. Okay, now I will go with action. After that, here you can just audio, then batch size, how much videos you want at a single time. Then here comes the movement part and so on. So here I will select the single shot and then click on generate, and then again I will select the multi shot and then click on generate because I want to create a better video and the multi shot is perfect. So let's see the final video.